Is it time to buy or sell SOFI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SOFI. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has ranked SOFI as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 93% since we first recommended purchasing SOFI 44 days ago. This equates to an average return of approximately 2.11% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $12.29, a point that may offer a second opportunity to see significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 77% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 36% to 54%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 7.91% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 49.19% and negative 15.64%. This translates to a price range of $7.17 to $11.90 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOFI includes the headline, SOFI stock price up more than 8.5% on Monday. The SOFI stock price gained 8.5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 11th of November, 2024. The price rose from $13.01 to $14.11. It has now experienced 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue this upward trend or if it will take a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.37%, with a low of $13.58 and a high of $14.44. The stock has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 26.09% over the past 2 weeks. Moreover, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 21 million more shares were traded than on the previous day, with a cumulative total of 103 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.45 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $14.44, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price stands 2.29%, or 33 cents, below the 52-week high, and 50.07%, or $14.15, below the all-time high recorded on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SOFI Technologies has surged to a new high of $14.42, marking the company's best performance since early 2022. This increase has been fueled by an impressive rally of over 30% since Election Day. Investor sentiment is bolstered by expectations for a more favorable regulatory environment under the new government. This bullish momentum positions SOFI for its strongest 5-day trading stretch in over a year, reflecting rising confidence among investors. Recent lending results from Upstart have also contributed to positive market perception, adding to the optimism surrounding SoFi's growth prospects. CEO Anthony Noto's optimistic outlook reinforces this sentiment, suggesting the company is in excellent shape as it heads into the new year. Analysts predict that under President Trump's administration, which may aim to abolish the U.S. Department of Education, SoFi could significantly benefit from a reduction in federal involvement in the student loan market. The immediate impact on SoFi's stock price is likely to continue its upward trajectory as trader enthusiasm persists. In the long term, strategic moves by the company, coupled with a favorable regulatory landscape, could position it as a strong contender in the financial services sector, potentially pushing the stock toward predictions of $22. Investors are closely monitoring these developments, assessing their implications for future returns. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SOFI a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Barclays rated SOFI as equal weight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Jefferies issued a buy rating for SOFI, accompanied by a hold action. Also on Tuesday, Goldman Sachs provided a neutral rating for SOFI with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book value also as sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts again provide a sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $12.03 and $9.87. A decline below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and since then, the stock has experienced a rise of 101.28%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indication. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 47 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $13.01 and $11.22. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, SoFi has support just below today's level at $13.01. If this support is broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $11.22 and $10.93. This stock tends to experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 87 cents between its high and low, which is a movement of 6.37%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.62%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of February, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 4 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, SoFi encounters its first support level at $13.01. If this support level holds, it could provide a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of October, 2024, Kelly Keough executed an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 26th of September, 2024, Eric Schopenhauer executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Eric Schopenhauer also executed an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of September, 2024, Kelly Keough executed another insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Jeremy Rischel executed an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 51.650. Overall, insiders acquired 8,180,783 shares, while selling 27,722,615 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $13.63, which represents a decline of 3.4%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, currently stands at 80, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 46 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this point, it is advisable to consider it a hold or accumulate position while waiting for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of November, we anticipate SoFi will open lower, down by approximately 6 cents, starting the day at $14.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.